Like, I told you what room we are. We're on deck 6. She's so confused. It's the first time we have this room. That 6492. Like, I told you what room we are. We're on deck 6. She's so confused. It's the first time we have this room. We're in the back of the ship. We have faster to the front so we get to go in our room earlier because they're still setting up the room. So the rest of the ship can't go on until... I got it, baby. Just roll in. This is our room. Awesome. Oh yeah, now we got our waters. Boop, boop. She cute.
Thanks.
Talking about the room.
Oh.
Little television.
We back.
Now this is the highlight. I don't think you're ready, Nelly.
Mom, you're the one.
Nelly, I don't think you. I don't think you're ready, baby. I don't think you're ready.
Are you? Oh, duh.
I don't think you're ready, Nelly.
Oh, okay.
Okay. What? Say what?
Wait, we're in the back of the ship?
Yeah.
Mom, you're the one.
We have the aft extended balcony. Okay.
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 I can't do it.
We ain't doing that here. We have what?
Okay.
4 chairs, a table, and 2 lounges. We're in the back of the ship. We can people watch. Oh, I'm in love.